Hello friends from YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this table. It's a pedestal table. Um, so I got in the box, I ordered this table and I got in the box all these parts. So we have the bottom base here. We have over there this metal plate that goes over there. We have the leg here. That's the leg. And we got 8 small screws, 14 what do you call this, washer or rings. We get 6 bigger screws. This screws goes for 3 here, 1 2 3, and 3 on the other side. Okay, and also I got this little tool, Allen. So we're gonna put together these 2 parts and one of the legs. It doesn't matter what size, they are the same. So remember to place this with this part against the leg right here. So right there. We need to start. We need a big screw. Okay, a big screw with the little ring. I don't know how you call it. Okay. Right there, 2 screws, and we're gonna use the little tool. And make sure you tie a little bit each one, not don't tie one the whole way, because then it's not gonna be even. Okay, so just okay, now you can tie it all the way. Okay. So keep tie it one each time. Okay, you see, nice, looks really good. So now this goes here on the top. And now we're gonna use the small screws. Right there. Okay, don't forget to put the rondane, okay, the washer rondane, okay. And same thing, use the tool and tie each one a little bit, okay? Don't tie it all the way or one screw or one side, because it's not, at the end it's not gonna be even, and something become wrong maybe. So just tie like each one a little bit until stop, okay? Almost. Okay, guys. Okay, that's it. So now it's fine. So now we're gonna put the other. Okay, so now we're gonna put this, the bottom base. We're gonna use the last three bigger screw. Same thing. Don't forget to put the washer. Okay, guys, you know what happened with this table? I don't know if you know this website that is Craigslist. So I saw ad over there that a guy was selling a table, and he said he never opened the box, and he was selling the table. And when I went to pick it up, right, and he lives in a very crowded place, so there was no parking when I arrived there. And then when I get home, I opened the box, and it was missing the leg. So I called him, and he tried to say it. He said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know, but I knew he knew that that was incomplete because the box was open." But I trusted him, and I just put it in my car and I went home. But be careful, guys, because there is a lot of people selling things online that they are not honest, and they just try to cheat people, and that's not fair. Because maybe it's not the money, right? Because maybe $100 I pay, 100 to him, and he returns me, he wants to return me the whole money because I have a friend living in his building, in the same building, so that's why I told him. And he said, I went, and then he said, come and pick it up the money. I went, and he never answered me. He never picked up the phone. He never replied my message. An hour later, I come back to my house, and then and he said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't pick up," and things like that, right? He just was making an excuse, and he said, "I want to give you the money." Okay, I said, "I have a friend living in the same building. Just give it to him." I said, so that's why he returned me the money, returned the money to me, and it was $100, right? Like I said, it's not the money, right? It's 100 is not too much, but you go there to pick it up and you're happy because you're gonna have a new table, and then people are, like to lie, and so I am an honest guy, and I told him, you know what, don't give me 100, give me 70, so you can make $30. So I pay $30 for the table, and I pay 75 for the leg, so it's almost same thing. So I got this table for 100. So I'm happy. But be careful when you order things from people. I don't trust them anymore. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and I hope it helped you. And check my other videos. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like. I try to fix everything I can. As you see, just tie one screw at a time, so at the end it will be even. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's the table, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.